If you ever feel embarrassed when you try to play with your worship band, or if you're confused onto how to even get started playing worship music, then you are in luck. Worship Music Piano Skills is here for you. Worship Music Piano Skills is the best-selling piano course created by someone who has performed and music directed in probably every imaginable variety of denominations and worship settings. Whether you are playing traditional Catholic hymns or sitting in with a contemporary worship band, this course is for you. You'll learn all the skills that you need to play satisfying accompaniments for your favorite hymns, songs, and carols, regardless of what genre or style they are in. I'm Brenda Earl-Stokes, and I've been an organist, worship leader, and music director at churches, synagogues, and spiritual centers for over 30 years. I have played every imaginable worship scenario, from the sort of traditional smells and bells high church service to more generalized sing-alongs in a non-denominational setting. This course includes simple learning modules that are well organized and easy to follow. And it's going to cover a wide range of techniques and skills that are going to help you to really succeed in a worship music setting. You'll learn how to get your congregation to sing, how to choose the correct keys for worship songs. You'll learn how to play perfect introductions to songs so that your congregation or singers will know exactly what to do and when to come in. I'll teach you accompaniment strategies for traditional hymns, how to play contemporary worship songs so you're not struggling anymore to know what to do in those pop settings. I'll show you how to play sing-along style songs so that you can get the entire group singing, and how to play incidental music, beautiful background music for prayers, meditation, preludes, and postludes. Plus, you'll get the bonus of the holiday sing-along piano workshop, everything you need to get ready for the Christmas season. Worship music is available exclusively through the Versatile Musician, my unique all-inclusive membership that combines a wide range of musical skills into an easy-to-use site. Members get unlimited access to hundreds of video tutorials, meticulously notated print materials, practice guidance, and live support. The Versatile Musician membership includes 28 unique courses, 90 plus song tutorials complete with downloadable printables, 1,000 plus unique tutorials, monthly Zoom workshops on topics requested by members like you, and live support from me. And I have to tell you, this is a one-woman show over here. So if you ask a question via email or leave a comment on the platform, it is me personally that is answering all of your questions. For a low monthly fee or an annual fee that gives you 2 free months, you get to work on subjects like chording, accompaniment strategies, rhythm skills, musicianship, piano technique, ear training, solfege, how to play by ear, music theory, and specialty subjects like jazz piano, country and folk piano skills, rock and roll and blues. Join the Versatile Musician today, and let's start working on your skills. If you've been wanting to learn piano in a hurry, I have designed the perfect course for you. It's called SOS Piano, and I designed it initially as a workshop to help people get the basic skills of piano under their fingers ASAP. So we're going to skip a lot of the method books and little kids songs and all this stuff and dive right into the real stuff. In this short and concise course, you're going to learn everything from the basics of technique and finger position. You're going to learn very quickly and easy to understand how to read music, understanding intervals, understanding key signatures, and all of the details of reading music so that you can look at a piece of music and be able to start playing it. Then I'm going to teach you how to play chords. What's fantastic about this course is it's going to get you to be able to play something called a lead sheet, which is a piece of music that has the melody written and chords, so that you're going to be able to play your favorite songs, your favorite melodies, without a lot of the hassle of traditional piano lessons. Check out SOS Piano today. SOS Piano is just one of the courses that is included in the Versatile Musician, my unique, all-inclusive membership that combines a wide range of music skills into an easy-to-use site. Members get unlimited access to hundreds of video tutorials, meticulously notated print materials, practice guidance, and live support. The Versatile Musician membership includes 28 unique courses, 90 plus song tutorials complete with downloadable printables, over 1,000 unique tutorials, monthly live Zoom workshops on topics requested by members, and live support from me, Brenda Earl-Stokes. This is a one-person company, not some huge conglomerate, so I personally answer your emails and your comments directly. For a low monthly fee or an annual fee that gives you 2 months for free, you get to work on subjects like piano skills for singers, piano for beginners, chording, accompaniment strategies, rhythm skills, musicianship, piano technique and ear training, singing, jazz piano skills, specialty topics like country and folk piano skills and rock and blues, over 90 unique song tutorials, and improvisation. It's called the Versatile Musician for a reason. You can come in anytime you want and pick what you need for your own personal needs as a musician. Check out the Versatile Musician today.